The New Testament understands church to refer to the visible expression of the gathered followers of Jesus Christ, who have been crafted into a community created by God under the banner of Jesus Christ, embodying the life and values of the new creation. Therefore, you cannot be a church by yourself. More and more I hear people saying, I want to be connected to Christ, but not to a community. You cannot be part of the body of Christ alone. You need other believers by your side, for where 2 or 3 gather in my name, there am I with them. Let's be the church, loving and serving.